Justine of Metanoia Soapiness. I am from Paracelis Mountain Province, Philippines. I am with my mom and we are going to share to you how to make a hanging diffuser. So without further ado, let us proceed. Hanging diffusers are the most convenient to use for aromatherapy. There is no any kind of wax needed and you can just simply hang it anywhere near you. Then you can already smell the aroma. Actually, it is commonly called car diffusers because they are popularly used as car fresheners. However, you can also hang them in your room, in the bathroom, or anywhere as you wish to smell the freshening, calming, and relaxing aroma of these diffusers. So first thing that we gonna do is to wear our gloves. Then sanitize everything that we use to ensure that everything is clean. We will be using these square glass containers where we will mix our ingredients. Then we will be using this weighing scale to measure our premix, unscented base, and the essential oil. We also use these pipettes or plastic drops later on, so we have to sanitize them as well. This is a stainless stirring rod that we use to mix the solution. Now it's time to measure the premix unscented base. This is an alcohol premix base carrier especially made for diffusers making solution. Next, we are going to measure this eucalyptus essential oil. We will be adding 20% portion of this essential oil to produce the scent throw that we desire.
Miles on a highway, every Every day moving so fast, taking all the wrong ways out. Never saw you coming, stopping me in my tracks, keeping me from the long way down. Doesn't matter just how many times I try.
Then we have to mix this thoroughly to bind our solution. So here you go.
Like the frost on a rose, winter comes for us all. Oh, how nature acquaints.
Let us proceed to the next one. The next scent that we are going to make is the squash.
Like a seed in the snow, I've been buried to grow. For your promise is loyal, from sea to sequoia. And I know, though the winter is long, even richer, the harvest.
This is the squash essential oil. This smells amazing.
I believe that my season will come.
We will be adding 20% portion of the solution.
I've been thinking about time, and where does it go? How can I stop my life from passing me by? I don't know. I've been thinking about family, now it's going so fast.
Then mix them properly.
So was all of my heart. This is my prayer. Singing, oh Lord, keep me in the moment. Help me live with my eyes wide open. 'Cause I don't want to miss what you have for me. What you have for me. Singing, oh Lord, show me what matters. Throw away what I'm chasing after. 'Cause I don't want to miss what you have for me. What you have for me. Keep me in the moment. Oh, keep me in the moment.
Then the next scent would be the lemon squash. So here is the lemon squash essential oil. We will just measure the 20% equivalent of our solution. Then just mix it. Lastly is the coffee scent. Everybody loves coffee scent, guys.
Come all you weary, come all you thirsty, come to the well, the never.
So here is our coffee essential oil. We will just measure and add the 20% equivalent of our solution. Then mix it properly.
In my time I've traveled some roads, a rolling stone, nowhere feels like home. I've seen people come then they go, life is just a story of some highs and some lows. Tell me, do you believe in miracles? I'm standing here before your eyes. I've cried many rivers, I've walked through
So here are our 4 different scents of our diffuser solutions, all set and prepared. We just let them sit for 2 to 3 minutes to be fully incorporated.
With the use of these plastic drops, we will be filling up these lovely square bottles. This can take in 9 ml of the solution. This eucalyptus scent has a vapor rub aroma that brings a cool and refreshing sensation. This can also drive away mosquitoes and other insect that bites. This squash scent has a very strong aroma. At first, I was quite skeptical about the scent since I cannot imagine the smell of a squash, and I was thinking of pumpkin. However, I was convinced as I read the reviews, so I tested it. And oh, I just love the scent. My only predicament with this essential oil is that it could hardly bind with our base, so just need to stir it briskly.
When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth.
This lemon square brings a kind of hygienic feeling, purified and refreshed. Unlike the squash, this could easily bind with the base and it is the most colorless diffuser solution. Maybe that is because of the lemon. Lemon has this cleansing characteristic. By the way, this 1 square container, when filled like this, can fill 10 bottles. So we are actually making 40 hanging diffusers this time. This coffee scent is the all-time favorite, especially in the morning. It awakens your senses that keeps you active and focused. This can help you to be more productive and accomplished during the day.
A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn.
This bottle has a plastic seal that we plug after filling in, just like that. Then we cover it with this wooden cap so it will not drip. So when you use it, don't forget to remove the plastic seal before you hang so that the wooden cap can absorb the particles from the bottle and diffuses the aroma through the air around.
You are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place.
So as you can see, these are now ready for labeling. This is the total of 40 hanging diffusers with 10 bottles of each scent. We decided to end this first part of the video since it is already too long. So the second part, we will be labeling and packaging these hanging diffusers. We will also be sharing to you how we got Metanoia as our brand name. That is exciting, guys, so please hang on for the part 2. Thank you for watching, and if you happen to like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And for those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next video. Keep safe and stay healthy. God bless. Bye for now.